Hello guys, welcome to Mapenzi Bila Filter. That's our YouTube channel. We tried to find a way of explaining or maybe of putting it out there that one, there's no a perfect marriage or relationship. One, two, um, good men and good ladies are still there. So we decided that we should come up with a YouTube channel yenye itakuwa inaongelelea all those things. The bad side of marriages, the good side of marriages, bad side of relationships, and all that. So we decided we will be sharing our story, and also we will be inviting different guests. So this being our first episode, I want my husband to tell us what this episode is going to be about.
Yeah, so this episode, it's going to be about telling us your story.
Mhm.
Like, because I believe everyone has had a relationship before.
Yeah.
And then like 90% of Kenyans, they are in a relationship. There are some who are in a toxic relationship. There are some in a best relationship. There are some who are like in a confused relationship. So we might not say that we are in a perfect relationship, but we like for us coming with this idea, like we are in a position to advise those who are struggling in a relationship, those who have had breakups before, because for us meeting, we've had our breakups before. So we'll be hosting different guests, more so the couples, the singles, and those who have been divorced, and those who are in in a currently they're in a relationship, but now most of their relationship is complicated. So we bring them on board. They get to share their stories, and then we advise them. Yeah. So this is all about Mapenzi Bila Filter. So in this channel, there's no
Sugar
sugarcoated.
coating.
There's no sugarcoating. Sawa. So for us, before we get to hear your stories, we like to share our stories.
story.
Sindio, baby?
Yay.
Yeah, so wanasemanga ladies first.
Mine is terrible, like really terrible.
Yeah, so like let us know like the type of a relationship that you've had before. I believe you had so many relationship before. They're like how many?
Me,
Yeah. 10.
not really 10.
Yeah.
I've been in like three serious relationships.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the rest? They were not serious.
I only dated thrice,
Thrice, eh?
and you are the third one.
Okay, so you've had two
Two
relationships.
relationships,
Okay,
yeah.
before
So
you met.
basically, he's the third one
Hmm.
and the last one.
Wow. So, like, in those relationships, you're gonna tell us which one was the worst and why. Okay. Yeah. So there's no sugarcoating. Cynthia, yeah, you can start, and then I will follow.
Are you sure you want to hear?
Yes.
Okay, it is not like it was bad, but then of course siko na yeye sahi, so that means it didn't work. So there's maybe that means there are reasons it's to why the relationship haik work. So my first relationship, I dated, it was on 2019. Yeah, that is when I was in my first year. But then the boyfriend alikuwa Nairobi, so basically haikuwa long distance juu tulienda shule, covid ikakuja,
Yeah.
so nikarudi Nairobi,
Mm.
ndio tukakatiana, nikaingia box. So basically we dated after nimeenda university like 2 months nikarudi.
Okay.
Yeah, so okay, kitu moja nililibo na yeye, it is not like he was a bad man, he was a really good man, because hatujawahi lala njaa.
kwani sisi tumeilala njaa?
Maybe sijasema tu. Anajaribu kusema hata mwenye maybe nilikuwa na
Okay.
yeye hatujailala njaa. So I can say alikuwa na try.
Yeah.
But then nilibona me waking up every day to go kutafuta kibarua. Unaona? So unaacha jamaa amelala, unaenda kutafuta kazi, unajaribu kumwambia si tufanye hii na hii na hii, anasema unajua babangu anafanya kazi place fulani, so ako na do, so mi nikisota naweza call mom anitumie do. So nilifeel like it was so dependent on the parents, na nikaona atakuja kuwa mzigo kwangu juu mtu mwenye mna date na hawezi fanya nini hiyo kujaribu,
like hawezi hustle.
hawezi hustle.
Like in short he was lazy.
Yeah, he was kind of lazy.
Okay.
Yeah, so mi nikaona hapa haita work. So what I did, to cut the long story short, what I did, COVID ikaisha, tukaambiwa turudi shule. So mimi nikamwambia tufanye aje, acha mimi nirudi shule. Juu alikuwa anataka kwenda na mimi, like literally kwenda na mimi shule. Juu the plan was niende nitafute nyumba tuishi na. So nikamwambia acha nibebe manguo, nitafute nyumba tuishi na wewe, then nikupigie simu kama. Akasema sawa. Alinibebea manguo hadi Nyamakima. Na gunia.
Okay.
Hadi Nyamakima, nikapanda gari nikaenda. Venye nilifika tu hivyo shule. I used to study at Masai Mara University Narok. Yeah. So venye nilifika tu Narok hivi, I blocked the guy and I hated the relationship. Like I really nili achana stories zake kabisa. Okay. Hadi leo we've never communicated.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is it.
Okay. Now, since it's just 2 relationships, so you mentioned about the first one. What about the second one?
The second one tutaongea baadaye. The second one is the next episode. I mean the second one is really bad.
The viewers wanna insist like you share at least something. Tell us something. Was that the worst relationship that you've told us? Kulikuwa na the worst?
Okay, yeah, haikuwa the worst, but then I thought mtu alikuwa anaongelea kuhusu past relationship.
Okay.
Yeah. But then haikuwa the worst, but I had the worst experience, you know. Juu ukiwa comrade, at least unataka msemo mwenye ukimpigia simu atakutumia. So ukimwambia sina chwani, sina sapa leo atakutumia. But then imagine wewe ni comrade, alafu juu mimi sikuwa nitisha wazazi pesa. I was basically paying my own school fee. So you can imagine I have to hustle ndio maybe upate chakula na una date. So mimi nikaona add up. So yeah.
Wow. Okay. So everyone has a story to tell.
Yeah.
And I believe like those who are watching this, they learn something, because for us it's all about educating you, getting to know the ups and downs that happen in different relationships. Yeah. So do you have any question? Ama, do you have something to say before I say something?
Okay. Just kuambia watu wa subscribe na watusaidie tuone kama tutanunua kamera hii, tunaona ni kama ioni vizuri. So subscribe at least.
Yeah.
Tupate views.
So we're gonna go to a short break.
No, we are driving home. Hakuna short break. We are driving home. Kesho tukienda kwa ofisi we'll record another episode, because basically tunarekodia kwa gari. So yeah, so we are driving home.
Yeah, actually there's a story that we shared online ya kwamba how we met.
Yeah, but they don't need to hear it now. Kuna wenye wako tusiwaambie.
Oh yeah.
Tusiwaambie, tuwaambie in our next episode.
Next episode. Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So on our next episode, I'll be telling you guys about my story, the worst relationship I've ever had.
And it's a juicy one.
And it's a juicy one. So guys, make sure you watch the next episode. Sasa. Okay, guys, bye.
Bye, and see you
See you
when you see us.